Hi there. If you're looking for a way to save money and make money at the same time, whether you're in Thailand, the Philippines, Japan, China, or anywhere else in the world, listen up. Let me introduce you to something exciting. Save Club and Sparky, two platforms that work together to help beginners and everyday people travel more, spend less, and start earning online fast. Now, if you've heard of LiveGood, you know it's a solid company. Great products, good pay plan. Save Club is similar but different. LiveGood focuses on health and wellness products. Save Club focuses on saving you serious money on travel, flights, hotels, vacations, and giving you a global business opportunity even before launch. Think of Save Club like LiveGood's travel-savvy cousin, with high-value memberships and explosive pre-launch momentum. And what about Sparky? This is where it gets powerful. Sparky gives you automation tools, capture pages, follow-ups, marketing systems, all done for you. It helps beginners like you and me start earning online even without experience. No tech skills? No problem. Sparky does the heavy lifting. Now, here's what makes this exciting for you. This is 100% global. If you're in Thailand, the Philippines, Japan, or China, you're already welcome. You don't need to wait for translations or local rollouts. Save Club is designed for a global audience, and people in Asia are jumping in now, while it's still early. The best time to get in was 1 week ago. The second best time, today. So if you've ever said, I wish I joined earlier, I want to work from home, I want to travel and earn, this is your chance, your platform, your momentum. Click the link in my bio or go to doneforyoubiz.com and join Save Club. Use Sparky and let the system help you save, earn, and grow from anywhere in the world. Because freedom shouldn't be for a few, it should be for you too.